Today we're making kishk. Kishk is a fermented mix of yogurt and bulgur. It's very famous in Lebanon, especially in winter. You can eat it with bread and you can eat it like a soup. Both ways, it's very delicious and you should try it. In a pan, add some olive oil. Add 1 onion, chopped finely, and fry it until it takes a golden color. Add 200 grams of minced meat. Mix it very well until it takes this color. Salt as needed, a small sprinkle of black pepper and 7 spices. Use allspice if you don't have the 7 spices. Don't put too many spices because we want to taste the kishk on its own. And remember, the kishk is salted, so don't put too much salt. Take most of the meat and put it aside. We will use it later on the top of the kishk. Now add 5 crushed garlic cloves. Fry it with the meat and add some olive oil for the kishk. Kishk needed to be fried first with some oil, then we add the water. Now add 1 cup of kishk. The heat should be low to medium at this stage. We want to mix the kishk with the meat and we want it to take this color. Now I will add 4 cups of hot water gradually. You may need less or more water, it depends on the type of kishk you're using. Mix it very well and when it's thick like this, add more water. Continue to add the water until you reach the texture that you want. Boil it for a few minutes and it's ready to be served. Keep in mind that kishk will be thicker after being served and warm, so don't make it too thick if you want this texture. Serve it directly when it's hot on a hot plate to preserve the heat. The smell of kishk is very delicious and heartwarming. It reminds every Lebanese person of his childhood, when our moms used to make this dish, and the home is full with its cozy and delicious smell. You can eat kishk with the bread or with a spoon if you want. If you want it thinner like a soup, add more water until you reach this texture and enjoy it while it's hot. I'm waiting for you to try this recipe and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.